Welcome to the May 2018 issue of What's Up in Paris. This monthly magazine is dedicated to everything you need to experience, see, listen to, and do in Paris. So stay with us and discover the What's Up in Paris selection of the events you shouldn't miss in May 2018. Spring is with us and there is nothing nicer than spending a bit of time on a terrace with a cold drink. From the 1st May, the Maquereaux airy terrace will be reopening on the banks of the Seine. Looking out to Ile Saint Louis, famous barge will be offering products from the French regions. Breton's oysters from Côtes-d'Armor, butter from Isigny-sur-Mer, and sardines from the Ile. A real fresh air feeling. The sea will also be in the spotlight in Paris, 14th arrondissement, from the 18th to the 26th of May with the Breton Festival. Music, dance, walks, concerts and gastronomy all organized by the Mission Breton to help you learn more about France's most famous and delightful regions. And don't miss In the Footsteps of Paris, Breton's rally, La Danse Trop conference on the origin of dance in Lower Brittany and of course the pancake competition. See the full program on www.missionbreton.bzh. From the 23rd to the 27th of May, the Nature Festival will be taking place all over France, including Paris. The theme for these 12 years is Seeing the Invisible, with little-known ecosystems that conceal tiny, unusual and fascinating species for us to study. The many activities in offer include guided tours, games, introductory sessions, gardening and workshops. Of particular interest are invisible life on the farm, vegetables dyes unexpected colors, and the secret life of bees. See the full program on www.fêtedelanature.com. Feel like getting away from the traditional exhibitions? Since the 13th of April until the 11th of November, l'Atelier des Lumières is offering an immersive presentations of the work of the Austrian painter Gustav Klimt. How does it work? In a vast room covering 2,000 meters square, visitors walk amongst the painter's finest works to the music of Vienna waltzes, the whole provided by 140 projectors and a spatial sound system that dematerialize the works of this artistic genius. A thrilling 30-minute Son et Lumière show, including iconic works such as The Kiss and the Portrait of Adèle Bloch-Bauer. Informations www.atelierlumière.com. Museum Night returns throughout Paris on the 19th of May. Through the night, the Palais Galliera, Paris Museum of Fashion, will be offering a variety of free tours along with most of the other museums in the capital. Children will be offered a storytelling tour as well. At the Quai Branly Museum, immerse yourself in the Asian Underworlds and Ghosts exhibition from 6 p.m. to midnight as part of the Scary Visits event. As the Vuitton Foundation, experience the world of Japanese artist Takashi Murakami with the In Tune with the World exhibition that questions man's relationship with the world that surrounds him. The Picasso Museum will be hosting a performance entitled I Will Keep a Light Burning, devised by Renaud Auguste Dormeuil. 1,000 candles reproducing the starry sky as it was the night before the bombing of Guernica on the 26th of April 1937 will light your way towards the Guernica exhibition. If you want to visit the Palais de Tokyo on the 3rd of May, you have to go naked. The Paris Naturist Association has succeeded in organizing a guided birthday suit tour of the building. The Palais will be open to participants from 8 p.m. For everyone's comfort, only registered visitors may enter the room. Bookings anp.paris75@gmail.com. Do you like funny, touching music shows? Then head for Olympia to see François Morel on the 4th of May. Words combined with music in an intimate, convivial atmosphere. If you're more of a fan of large-scale spectacles, the AccorHotels Arena Bercy is organizing an immersive musical and visual experience based on Game of Thrones on the 12th of May. The Seven's Kingdom are brought to life by the very latest technology, combined by a full orchestra and choir conducted by Ramin Djawadi, who composes the music for the most series. If you're looking for a more intimate, serious atmosphere, we suggest you keep the evening on the 17th of May free to attend the concert by Gaël Faye in the Salle Pleyel. The Franco-Rwandan singer-songwriter Gaël Faye's unique voice and realistic poetry offer a highly emotive experience. With the return of the fine weather, you're perhaps keen to get out there and get some exercise. On the 6th of May, whatever your level, why not run the Bois de Boulogne 10 km race? Even if you're a bit slow, bear in your mind that everyone who takes part will receive a souvenir gift and medal. Official website www.10km.boisdeboulogne.fr. Château de Vaux-le-Vicomte will be reopening from the 5th of May, offering magical moments with its candlelight evenings. Come for an evening visit and see the chateau and garden, designed by Le Nôtre, illuminated by 2,000 candles against a background of classical music. In this incredible setting, you can also enjoy a meal on the terrace of Les Charmilles restaurant or a glass of champagne and a few macarons at the Songe de Vaux. And to round off this timeless evening, there is a firework display every Saturday night. Bookings www.vauxlevicomte.com. And finally, for Mother's Day, Bonne Maman opens its door from the 17th to the 20th of May on the Concorde Atlantic barge on Quai Natal, France. Program for the day looks to be as full as your stomach will be. Yoga and meditations lessons and breakfast with Mon Jardin Secret jam in the morning, relaxing in the garden in the afternoon and after work with mocktails at the end of the day. There's something for everyone of all ages. Informations www.bonemaman.com. Thanks for joining us. We'll be back again next month.